Okay, so here's lesson 12. Take note that the paper, here's the paper right here. Okay, so it should have had these diagrams at the end of it. It didn't print that. So that's kind of what we need to look at right now. So everybody kind of get a look at that. So that goes along with 1. And number 2 will be right here. Okay, so that goes along with number 2, so make sure you got that. I'm holding it up here for a minute so you guys can write that down. So I got 4 blocks on top of the cats, and 5 blocks on the bottom for the dogs. Okay, so that goes with number 2. Okay, all right. So question number 1. Sorry. Here's a type diagram representing the ratio of red paint to yellow paint in a mixture of orange paint. So tape diagram is just like a piece of tape. It's just long, and it may be cut into sections, okay? So when you hear tape diagram, that's kind of what they're talking about, okay? So don't panic on that, okay? All right, so cups of red paint, cups of yellow paint, okay? So A, what is the ratio of yellow to red, okay? So what I advise, the word yellow comes first. So put how many you got right there. How many yellows we have? We have what? What is the ratio? You have 6 ... red 9. Okay. Now we know that's going to be reduced, so let's go ahead and reduce that. So how many blocks do you have here? You have 2 blocks. Okay. So let's do yellow to red, because that's what they're asking us in the question. Yellow to red. So we know yellow is 2 blocks of 3, so it's 2 ... How many blocks of 3 do we have? See, they're all blocks of 3. So how many blocks do we have here? 1, 2, 3 blocks. So we know this will reduce 6 to 9. Will reduce to 2 to 3. Okay. So that's your A part. Okay. B part. How many total cups of orange paint will this mixture yield? Well, if it's how many total cups. Okay. Well, how many cups of red are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. There's 3 threes plus 3 yellows and another 3 of yellow. So there's your yellow, here's your red, okay? Just add those up. This is your B part. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15 cups. Okay? So here's your A. Here's your B. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you get those other diagrams here. This is number 1. And this is number 2. You got to fill those numbers in number 2. They baby stepping for you right here. They want you to do it right here, okay? All right, watch the video and let me know with any questions you have for Tuesday morning. Make sure you get that social studies stuff done. Make sure you communicate with your friends if they've not been on there. I talked to Miss Mobley a while ago, and there's a few of those folks that was missed my morning was on her, so I need you to be in my room, okay? 8 o'clock for my class, 9 o'clock for Miss Huckabee's class, okay?